Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. I'm Marie Eriksson and I'm excited to show you how to make the Eila Swirl earrings. The Eila Swirl earrings can be made in silver or gold, and if you want to customize it further, you can also choose a different color Swarovski pear-shaped pendant at the bottom. I will be making the silver pear for us today. Let's get started. To make the Eila Swirl earrings, we will be using the 14 by 10 millimeter royal blue shiny Swarovski crystal pear fancy stone, the Pewter organic pear bezel by Nunn design in the antique silver, the Pewter spiral swirl link by Nunn design in the antique silver, the 5 millimeter silver plated base metal 18 gauge open jump ring, and for our ear wires today, we're going to use a 4 millimeter sterling silver ball post earring with a ring, and this has the 4 millimeter silver clutch as well. Okay, let's get started. So we first need to glue in our Swarovski crystal stones into our open backed Nunn bezel. So to do this, I like to use a little post-it note, and I just put a little bit of the E6000 glue on here. And then I'm going to use a toothpick to apply the E6000 just to the inside of this bezel. Because it's an open back, we want to be careful not to use too much glue because it can squish out the back. And just start putting it on there. It's pretty thick, so it's not going to go right through. It will really go where you place it. And I've gotten it all the way around. There we go. Now I'm going to take my stone and just drop it right in. I'm going to try and just get it in there and just push on it a little bit. Now let's look at the back. That looks good. There's no glue coming through. If you do get some glue that comes through, just take the clean side of your toothpick and kind of get it out this way. Okay, so we can put the glue aside. We're going to let this dry. It really takes about 24 hours for your glue to set, but you can still finish your earrings even while that's setting up. So next we're going to attach our bezel to our swirl, and we want our swirls to be in mirror images so that when you put them up into your ears, they hang correctly. I'm just going to show you here with this pair that's made. You can kind of imagine. Okay. So let's open our jump ring using our chain nose plier. I like to use 2 of those. And we're going to slip on our bezel. And then slip on our link. And then close this back up. And then our last step is to attach our post earring wire. So that has an open loop on it that I'm just going to turn out to the side, and it's sterling silver, so it's really soft. So be careful when you do that. I'm going to put on my link, and then I'm going to close it back up. It's a little tricky because it's very small, but doable. This is what we have so far, and don't forget that you need your clutch to go on there. There. So for the other side, you're going to do the same thing. Just make sure that you hang your link in a mirror image. And for these earrings, you can make them in silver, and you can also make them in gold. Let's show all those. You can find all this and more at fusionbeads.com.